Hi, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I've got a pre-Halloween treat for you, and that's 3 free new Halloween designs this year. They're on my blog at sweetsofties.com, and I'm going to show them to you right now. So first up is little Whimsy the Witch. She's so tiny, but she loves to cast spells and cause a lot of trouble. Watch out for this little girly. We've also got Sir Batwington here, who thinks he is big and scary and spooky, but all he wants to do is be brave and save you from all the evil spirits on Halloween. So make him as your little guardian. We've also got a petite little pumpkin here. It has so much squish and it is super quick and easy to make. So if you're in need of any cute Halloween DIY patterns, be sure to check out my blog to make these cute little critters. All right, thank you for tuning in. See you later. Bye.